Hey, my name is Josh Rhodes, and if you're watching this video, you're probably really interested in sales funnels, marketing funnels, online revenue, and specifically Clickfunnels or Leadpages, Optimized Press, Infusionsoft, you name it. Well, I want to talk about Clickfunnels versus Leadpages specifically. But more than anything, I want to just come out of the gates and say I'm an avid Clickfunnels user. I have a Leadpages account, but I do 80 to 90% of my business with Clickfunnels. As a matter of fact, the last 2 years, I've been responsible for over $3.3 million of revenue that's run through sales funnels that I've put up with Clickfunnels. You see, Clickfunnels is a fantastic software, software as a service, if you will, that I've found to be, time-saving. I convert higher percentages of leads and customers online, no matter what I'm doing. I'll give you some examples of what I do with Clickfunnels so that you can maybe relate a little bit better. I've had an e-commerce business, ironically enough, with Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels, for me, converts much better than Shopify or its e-commerce competitors, simply because Clickfunnels is set up for high conversion, direct response marketing philosophies. I use Clickfunnels for high ticket coaching when I want to do boot camps or four-figure price points with my students who want to learn how to do online entrepreneurship. I use it for salesfunnelmadness.com, which is my sales funnel architect consulting hub. And I also talk about Clickfunnels, and you can start a free trial there. And without going too much further, the reason why I'm making this video, just to be transparent, is because I'm also an affiliate reseller of Clickfunnels. So whenever you click on my link, either in the description of this video you're watching or on the blog post or web page that I have this video hosted on, whenever you click on that link and you start a 14-day free trial of Clickfunnels and you stay with it, I get a commission at no extra charge to you. And so I would be so grateful. And also, I have bonuses. If you sign up for Clickfunnels using my link, I have bonuses. I have 6 done-for-you pre-built sales funnels that you can, this is one of the great features of Clickfunnels, you can import and clone funnels from other people's accounts. So I literally will send you links that you can click on, and it'll go straight into your Clickfunnels account, and then all you got to do is really tailor it with your copy and your images or videos yourself that you're using for your own funnel. But you don't have to worry about, man, does that page go there, that page go there? And Clickfunnels makes it easy anyway. It's a drag and drop website editor at the end of the day. So you can literally build a sales funnel with a few clicks and then drag and drop your way to conversion and optimization. It's a fantastic tool. If you haven't started a free trial of it yet, do it. And also, if you jump in using my link, not only will I send you the 6 bonuses, but I'll also include a Facebook advertising training video. It's about 40 to 50 minutes long. It's an in-depth, advanced Facebook marketing video that I show a colleague of mine how to do some Facebook marketing specifically, and you get to see kind of over our shoulder how I use Facebook marketing to explode my business with lead generation on the front end using paid traffic without busting your budget. So sign up for Clickfunnels using my link. I'll send you bonuses. I'll be grateful. And hey, you can also email me at any time, all the time, if you ever need advice or tips on your own sales funnel. After you become a Clickfunnels account member under my link, the last bonus that I give is just unlimited email access, email coaching, if you will. You can email me, josh@groovymarketing.biz. That's josh@groovymarketing.biz. Anytime after you set up an account, and I'll give you my input. I'll look over your shoulder. I'll tell you what I feel like you're doing right or wrong, or just help you remove any bottlenecks you might have. Again, my name's Josh Rhodes. Clickfunnels versus Leadpages. I go with Clickfunnels every time. Leadpages is great because if you're they have templates that you can use, and they kind of make decisions for you. That's great and all, but when it comes to flexibility and kind of going to the next level with online business, you might as well start with the most robust, powerful, and fast platform on the internet, which is Clickfunnels. So start a free trial, get your feet wet. Make sure you email me so I can get you your free bonus links, your bonus funnels. And remember, josh@groovymarketing.biz. Comment on this video, ask me questions in the comments of this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'd be happy to help you however I can with your sales funnel. Again, Josh Rhodes here with Groovy Marketing and SalesFunnelMadness.com. Thanks.